So you'll be seeing her then too.
Do you guys see what I'm seeing?
Oh, dude, that girl's a 10 for sure.
More like a 10.5. She's even harder than that chick you showed us on Instagram.
You're right.
So is there anyone that doesn't have a partner that would like to work with Amber?
Me. I'll be your partner.
Okay, Mark, great. All right, Amber, this is Mark. The instructions are on the board, so you'll be working with him.
Go.
Thanks. I'm Amber. It's nice to meet you.
Pleasure's all mine.
I hope you know what you're doing because I don't know anything about chemistry.
Oh, chemistry's gonna be the least of our worries.
I hope so. My mom said she'd ground me for the entire summer if I don't pass this class.
Well, we can't let that happen, because how else am I supposed to take you out?